Hello and namaste everyone. I welcome you all to the second class of learning Autocad. Today I will teach you to draw various kinds of symbols and shapes. In order to give you a practical approach of how to use Autocad in engineering life, I am going to teach you how to draw LED symbols and fan symbols from the catalog of various companies. So here I have the catalog of HAVELLS company and I am choosing the product called Trim Cosmo Round LED. So for this LED, we can see that the ceiling cutout is 45 mm of diameter. That is for 6 watt. So we are going to draw the symbol of this LED, okay? In order to get these catalogs, you can check out the description section below. So let us draw the symbols. Before drawing any kind of symbols, you have to specify the units that you want to use. So I will specify the units by entering U and enter. And then you have to keep it to millimeters. Okay, we are keeping it to millimeters because our catalog also says the diameter of the LED is 45 mm. Okay, so now in order to draw LED, we have to draw a circle. To draw a circle, you just have to type C enter and then specify the center point. I will specify it here and then specify the radius of the circle. For the 45 mm diameter, we need to have 22.5 mm of radius. Oh, it is quite large, so let me just zoom it out. Now we just don't want a circle to represent the LED, so we will draw some lines. We can draw this cross line. Okay, so here you can see I will choose a line and then specify the center point, and then when I try to draw the line, my angle is changing, so I can't actually draw a perfect 45-degree angle or so. In order to solve this problem, you can just click over here. Here is the option to restrict cursor to specified angles. I will just restrict the cursor to 45-degree, 90-degree angle, and after that, when I try to draw a line, I'll enter. Then I can see that my line will restrict itself to 45-degree angle. So I can just select over here and then extend the line up to here and press enter. Then again I need to draw another line, so I'll enter. Specify the first point, so let me specify the first point over here and then enter 45-degree angle. Then again up to here, so enter. So here you can see we have the symbol of LED. You can name this object by entering text, enter, and then specify the point to start the text. So here I will start the text, specify the height, so I would want the height of the text to be this much. After that, the direction in which you want the text to be written, so let me stretch it horizontally. Okay, so we have this option to write the text. So the name was Trim Cosmo Round. Okay, Control C and then again Control V. We have it here. Double enter and then I can just bring it here. So this is the symbol for Trim Cosmo Round LED, right? So Trim Cosmo Round, but how many watts? Oh yes, I just need to edit that also. 6 watts LED. So let me just keep here 6 watts. Double enter. Okay, so this looks good, right? So after this, we are going to draw another symbol. The symbol is that of a fan. So we can see that I have the catalog of Bajaj company. The product is Economy CF. Here we can see that the sweep of this fan is 1200 millimeter. So we need to have the circle of 1200 mm, right? So let's do it fast. C enter. Specify the center, so I will specify it here, and then radius is 600 mm. Enter. Oh, this fan is going to be really large. So let's do one thing. Let's just keep it here, and then I think we need to scale it further. Now to draw a fan, you have to keep another circle inside this circle. So let me just click on circle and then specify the center point and then the diameter. Okay, no, the radius. So let the radius be 200 mm. Enter. So inside this circle, I need to draw another circle. Let me just specify the radius to be, let's say, 100 mm. Here we have it. After this, you can draw a line from this center upwards up to a length of 598, let's say. enter, and after that you can just intersect it on the circle, enter. So it looks something like this. And then what you can do is you can select a line and then specify the first point on the point of intersection. From there you can extend this line up to the center level, okay, enter. After drawing this, you have to trim some unwanted parts. To trim the parts, you have to type tr trim, and then let me trim this one, and then let me also trim this unwanted part, then this one and this one, tr trim. Okay, so we have half of the single blade of the fan. Now what you can do is you can just mirror this image throughout this circumference so that you don't need to redraw the same image time and again. So let me use the command mi enter. So in order to mirror the objects, I have to select the objects. So let me select this one also. So enter. Specify the first point of the mirror line. So let me specify this line and then this line. Okay. Here's the source objects. No. So here we have the first blade of our fan. After doing this, you can just copy this object throughout this circumference by using the command array. So just type array and then select the objects. Let me select this object, this object, and this object, and this object. Okay. After selecting all the objects, you can just press enter and then enter the type. So polar I will choose. Specify the center point of an array. So let me specify over here. So we can see that it has drawn the fan of 1 2 3 4 5 6 blades, but we just want it of 3 blades. So I will press here enter, and here it is. This is the symbol of our fan. text text, first point, and then angle of rotation, and that is economy CF, enter. So that is how we can draw the symbol of a LED and also of a fan. So thank you so much for attending the class. This much is for today. If you like the video, then don't forget to like it. If you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below. And if you want something useful in the upcoming future, then you can subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.